It is video number 26 of class 5 science. We will continue with lesson number 12, cleanliness and hygiene. Today we will start with community hygiene. What do you mean by community? All the people who live in particular place, area, etc. when considered as a group. Now, community hygiene is also equally important. It is equally important to keep our surrounding clean. People often fall sick due to unclean surrounding. We know very well. Maintenance of cleanliness at all places like public convenience, markets, school, cinema hall, railway station, bus stand, bank, post office, etc. Proper disposal and waste and excreta. As our Prime Minister started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Periodic cleanliness and disinfection of water reservoir, pools, tanks, etc. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Garbage or waste is any material that is of no use and can be thrown away. Waste can be grouped into two types, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Waste which is biodegradable, these are plants and animal waste such as vegetable, peels, paper, excreta and decomposes easily and mix with the soil. And these act like manure for the plants. Second one, non-biodegradable waste. These waste such as plastic, glass metals, which do not decompose easily, hence they stay in the soil for a very long time. So they cause soil pollution. Local government has placed blue and green colored bins in the public places. The green color bins are to be used to dispose of biodegradable waste and the blue colored bins are meant to dispose of non-biodegradable waste. Now, how we can dispose of non-biodegradable waste? Because it is not decomposed in the soil, it causes soil pollution. By given three methods: recycling, incineration, landfills. First we will discuss recycling. Recycling means we can use that waste again. Separate glass, plastic and metal from non-biodegradable waste for recycling. Recycling saves spaces in landfill and reduces the amount of material energy used to manufacture new product. Incineration. Non-biodegradable waste like rubber tires and plastic can be burned at combustion facilities. Most of these use a heat generated by incineration to make energy in form of steam of electricity. Because if we burn plastic and rubber tires outside in the open, it will cause air pollution. Landfill provide long-term storage for non-biodegradable waste. Landfills are situated in the outskirts of city to reduce odor, pest. City garbage is dumped in the landfill when it is full. It is covered with soil to prevent breeding of insects. Because if it will be open, then houseflies and mosquitoes and many germs will be generated. Many insects will be breed. Very often a park is made on it. Which park? One example they have given that Indraprastha Park in Delhi is a landfill. You have to learn the best way to control the waste, refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle. Book exercise. A disease spread by eating infected food is typhoid, measles, chickenpox, all of them. Correct answer is typhoid. B part, bite of an infected mosquito causes malaria, dengue, chickenpox, both 1 and 2. So, correct answer is both 1 and 2, malaria and dengue. Ringworm is caused by fungi, protozoa, bacteria and virus. Correct answer is fungi. A landfill is made inside a school, inside a house, in the outskirts of city, none of them. So, correct answer is third one, in the outskirts of city. We should brush our teeth once daily, twice daily, once in 2 days, none of them. Correct answer is twice daily. Second part, give 2 example of each. Biodegradable waste, vegetable peels, paper. Non-biodegradable waste, glass, plastic. Diseases caused by virus, measles, chickenpox. Diseases caused by bacteria, cholera, typhoid. Diseases caused by fungi, ringworm, and food poisoning. True, false. People often fall sick due to unclean surrounding. True. Clothes should be changed every day. True. Non-biodegradable waste should be disposed in green bins. False. A sick person should be kept in isolation. True. We should use the articles used by the sick person. False. Answers. What are communicable diseases? First answer. Diseases that spread from a sick to healthy person. B part, how can the spread of communicable diseases be prevented? Page number 86. This one is B part of question answers. Communicable diseases can be prevented from spreading in the following ways: keeping the surrounding clean, maintaining personal cleanliness, keeping the sick person in isolation, eating clean food and drinking clean water. C part, write 3 ways to maintain community hygiene. Page number 87. Part C, answer. Maintenance of cleanliness at all places like public conveniences, markets, schools, cinema hall, etc. Proper disposal of waste and excreta, periodic cleanliness and disinfection, water reservoir, pools, tanks, etc. These 3 points you will write for the answer of C part. D part, write 4 ways to maintain personal hygiene. See page number 87. Answer of D part. Take a bath daily. Our skin becomes dirty due to dust and sweat. Second point, wash hands after visiting the washroom. Third point, brush teeth properly twice a day to prevent tooth decay after this. Then fourth point, wash your hair at least twice a week. E part, distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. See page number 89. In new words, it is given biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste that mixes with the soil easily. Non-biodegradable waste that does not mix with the soil easily and cause soil pollution. F part, write a short note on landfill. Page number 88 and 89. F part answer. Landfill provide long-term storage for non-biodegradable waste. Landfills are situated in the outskirts cities to reduce odor pests. Garbage is dumped in the landfill. When it is full, it is covered with soil to prevent breeding of insects. Very often a park is also made on it. You can give the example. The Indraprasth Park in Delhi is a landfill. G part, what is an incineration? See page number 88. It is G part. Non-biodegradable waste like used rubber tires and plastic can be burned at combustion facilities. Most of these use heat generated by incineration to make energy in form of steam or electricity. Hearts question. First, why should garbage or waste not be dumped in our surrounding? Because it can cause air, soil and water pollution. Second, why is a student suffering from viral fever or chicken pox asked to stay home till he or she recovered? Because viral fever or chicken pox are communicable diseases. Note down all the questions in the notebooks and revise this chapter.